Hey, will you help me learn how to write my numbers and count with these cards and a plate of salt? How silly. Let's go. How many pineapples do you see? 1. On the back of the card, how many cookies do you see? 1. Let's slide this card open. There's a number 1, and on the back, there's the word 1. Using this number, we're gonna draw a number 1. Ready? Start up top and do a big line straight down. That's a 1. I'm gonna do it again, and you can do it with me. Let's count these yo-yos. 1, 2. And these frogs. 1, 2. There are 2 frogs and 2 yo-yos. Let's write number 2 in our salt. Okay, your turn. How many bracelets do you see? 1, 2, 3. How many lollipops do you see? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 lollipops and 3 bracelets. Let's write number 3 in our salt. I'm going to do it one more time, and you can do it with me. Let's count these cars. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many ducklings do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 ducklings and 4 toy cars. Let's draw number 4. Okay, one more time. Do it with me. How many colorful bottles do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many butterflies can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 butterflies and 5 colorful bottles. Let's practice drawing number 5. One more time. How many pretty flowers do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many rainbow umbrellas can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 umbrellas and 6 beautiful flowers. Let's write number 6. One more time, do it with me. How many beetles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fish are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 fish and 7 beetles. 7 is a pretty easy number to write. Let's start right here. One more time with me. Great job. How many shoes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many beautiful seashells are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 seashells and 8 shoes. Let's draw a number 8. This one sort of starts like letter S. Make a snake and then connect back to the beginning. One more time with me. Eight. Let's count these colorful glasses of juice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many dogs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 dogs and 9 glasses of juice. Let's write number 9. One more time. 9. How many garden tools are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 garden tools. How many leaves do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 leaves. 10 leaves and 10 garden tools. Let's write number 10. I'm going to actually turn my board like this so that I have room for both numbers. 1, 0. That is number 10. Write that one with me. How many vehicles do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 vehicles. How many spinning tops are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 spinning tops and 11 vehicles. Let's write number 11. 1, 1. 11. One more time. 1, 1. That number is 11. 11. How many teddy bears are in this picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 teddy bears. How many wooden figurines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 wooden figurines and 12 teddy bears. Let's write number 12. 1, 2. 1, 2. Together, those numbers say 12. 12. How many balls do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many buttons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 buttons and 13 balls. Let's write number 13. 1, 3. Together, those numbers say 13. 1, 3. 13. Let's count these apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's count these noisemakers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are 14 noisemakers and 14 apples. Let's write number 14. 1, 4. 14. 1, 4. That's how we write 14. How many colorful t-shirts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many colored pencils are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 colored pencils and 15 t-shirts. Let's write number 15. 1, 5. 15. 1, 5. 15. Thank you so much for learning how to write all of the numbers from 1 to 15 with me today. Have a great day! Hey friend, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss any videos from Learning Pearls by Mrs. Earl. Thanks for watching!